day, sir. I'm Roger Infante, your polygraph examiner. You may now take your seat, sir, beside the polygraphic machine. So before we proceed, sir, you may sign this consent form. Before we start, sir, I would like to inform you the constitutional rights. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything that you can be used against you in court, you have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. You have the right to have a lawyer with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering at any time. Kumain ka na ba?
Yes, sir.
Nakapunta ka na ba ng Maynila?
Yes, sir.
Kasama mo ba yung suspect nung nangyari ang panulog sa isang bank?
Hindi, sir. Hindi ko po alam, sir.
Ang favorite color mo ba ay kulay white?
Right? Yes, sir.
Have you ever experienced stealing with force way back?
No, sir.
Nagkaroon ka na ba ng kasintahan?
Yes, sir.
Did you use this hammer make force and enter the bank?
No, sir. Wala po akong kinalaman.
Do you have any relationship with the victim?
No, sir.
In the past 3 years, nagkaroon ka na ba ng record sa paggamit ng illegal drugs?
No, sir.
Ikaw bang nang loob sa isang bangko?
No, sir.
So base sa lumabas sa ating polygraph test, at ang lumabas na resulta ay ikaw ay deceptive. Sa lahat ng iyong responses sa aking pagtatanong, ikaw ay nagsisinungaling. So bakit ka nga ba nagsisinungaling? Ikaw ba ay guilty? Or ikaw ba ay natatakot sa mga consequences na sa iyong mga actions? So aware ka ba na sabihin kung ano ang katotohanan sa mga nangyari?
Sa totoo lang, sir, kaya ko lang naman po nagawa yung pagnanakaw na yun kasi nasa ospital po yung anak ko at kailangan niya pong maoperahan. Wala naman po akong ibang mapagkunan ng pera. So sana mapatawad niyo po ako, sir. Hindi ko na po uulitin yung